When constants and variables are connected by operations, you have an algebraic expression. When constants and variables are connected using expressions. Sorry, using operations. Operations, then the expression is formed. Now, constants. Here some terms. Constants, constants means like 2, 3 numbers and so on. These are constants. The value will not change. And variables. Value changes. X, Y, A, B and so on. These are variables. And operations. Operations means plus, minus, into, divided by. These are the operations. Now constants and variables are connected using operations. Then the expression is formed. For example, ax plus b, that means 2x plus 3. That means ax plus b, also an algebraic operation. 2x plus 3 is also an algebraic operation. Here only the terms based on variables, but here variables and constants. Now this is known as expression. Example, 7xy plus 2x and 3x square plus 5x or 5y and so on. These are the expressions. Now there are some basic definitions related to algebraic expressions. Now first of all, term. What is the term? The term means letters and numbers connected by multiplication, division or powers. That means 3x square minus 2y. For example, here there are two terms. One is 3x square and another is 2y. These are the two different terms. Contains letters and numbers using operations. So using some operations. Here this is the x square term, here it is the y term. Or if you want to here 5xy plus x square, this is the xy term and this is x square term. Like that we can know about term. And second one, factors of a term. Nine xy. In this, numerical factor is 9. Numerical factor is 9 and literal factors are x and y. Literal factors are x and y. Here a constant factor is called numerical factor and a variable factor is called literal factor. This is the numerical factor and these are the variable factors. Now third one, constant term. Constant term. Expression having no literal factor is expression having no literal factor. That means, for example, 7x plus 5. Here 5 is the constant term. Fourth one, coefficients. Coefficients. Coefficient means the remaining part of the term. That means 3xyz coefficient of here xyz is equal to 3 because of this is the remaining part and this is also called as numerical coefficient. Then literal coefficient is xyz. We know that literal coefficient is equal to xyz. Coefficient of y, for example, coefficient of y remaining part 3xz, that is the remaining part. These are the important definitions or basic definitions related to algebraic expressions. Now exercise, what is the literal coefficient? Write about literal coefficient. Algebraic expression and constant term. Sample equation 3x square plus 5y plus 7. Sample expression, sorry, not equation. This is the sample expression and what is the literal coefficient and algebraic expression and constant term in the expression.